Hi, EXS 214 students. My name is Meg Rademacher, and I'm going to be your instructor this semester. So generally this course is a hybrid course, so it's partially an online component and partially an in-person component. And many times during the in-person component, we will focus on lab work. And for this course, since it is a flexibility mind-body course, we focus a lot on the different types of stretching. Now, since of COVID, this class is totally online this semester, this summer. So I will be asking you to partake in some at-home stretching sessions and doing some at-home yoga and things like that. It will all be able to be completed from your home. So no worries about having to get out. I know that's still kind of up in the air if we're getting out and all of that. So, although some gyms have opened at this point, you do not and will not need to go to a gym in order to complete these workout or lab sessions. You'll be able to do everything from home. So I look forward to working with you throughout the semester. I am very supportive to making sure that you guys are really effective in this course and learn a great deal of information. My ultimate goal for you at the end of this course is I want you to be able to take a client through the NASM overhead squat assessment and be able to determine which of their main muscle groups are tight. And then from defining which of their muscle groups are tight, I want you to be able to complete a comprehensive exercise, a flexibility specifically program for them. So I want you to be able to give clients a different stretch than the basic reach down and touch your toes stretch, right? I want you to have many tools in your toolbox, whether it be yoga, whether it be SMR stretching, which are things like using the tennis ball and foam rolling, maybe doing some PNF stretching, some dynamic warm-up stretching, all of these things to create a comprehensive flexibility program for your client. So you will be able to do that by the time we end this class. So just a couple basics about the class. I just want to touch on a couple things. So I am going to take you back to your course. You will notice that the syllabus and date sheet are listed up here for you. The date sheet right now is just kind of a general guideline, so please use Canvas as the most up-to-date guide, and I will maybe change things as the semester progresses to fit the need of this class. So just stay up to date. Since this is an online only class, I do expect you to check in online several times a week. I would say at least every other day be checking in on Canvas to make sure that you don't have any new announcements and just staying up to date with your coursework. Again, since this class is online only throughout the summer, we do have 4 basic getting started assignments just to make sure that you're comfortable using Canvas throughout the semester. So introductions will be a basic. I just like you to introduce yourself. There's more information in that assignment. But it is a discussion board, so we get to know each other. And you get to know the other students in your class. A getting a started assignment. This will help make sure that you're ready to be able to submit an assignment just like you will throughout the semester. A quiz, that's how we'll take our quizzes, and then send an instructor a message. So I'd just like you to send me a message through Canvas just to make sure that you know how to communicate with me throughout the semester. Okay? And then each week you will have a module. There is no textbook required for this course. Everything is posted online. So I've taken different chapters from different textbooks, different areas that I feel are most effective. So those are scanned and uploaded for you. They might not always be perfect quality, but I think you'll appreciate the fact that you didn't have to buy a textbook for this class. At least I hope you will. So there's a ton of information in each one of your modules. I will be posting screencasts or video lectures throughout the semester and in most of your modules to make sure that you're up to date with all the information needed. So just make sure you're following along. If you have any questions or need any help throughout the semester, just make sure you're contacting me, and I look forward to working with you.